Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the very last Lookfantastic box of 2018. Before I start, right behind me, you can see, over there, you can see a very old closet. As y'all know, I'm redecorating. I'm almost done this year. The only thing that still has to come in is the table and the chairs that go with it, like the dining table and the dining chairs. And I still have a couple of old things that just need to go. They need to get the hell out of my house, which includes the closet behind me. There's another closet over there. It's a hot mess, but I don't have anywhere to put it because sideways across from me is the Christmas tree, and that's where this closet used to be first. But the Christmas tree is there, and I can't place it there, so it's gonna have to be in the back right now, so sorry about that. It's a little bit of a hot mess. It's the end of the year. I think everybody's a hot mess at this point, but that is not why we're here today. We are going to unbox, like I said, the last Lookfantastic box. I cannot wait to see what is inside. I always want to say with this box, it feels heavy. But that's because of the stupid Elle magazine that I could seriously do without. I would much rather have an extra product in here than the Elle magazine. Just gonna be honest. Believe in the magic of Christmas. I believe, and I still believe in Santa. I'm almost 30 years old, but Santa's freaking real. Don't tell me otherwise. This is the booklet, and then this is the Elle magazine, which is useless to me. Oh, this is really cool. They've got golden paper. How freaking cool is that? But we're gonna rip it apart anyway. Ooh, it is so pretty. Oh, and they got golden. Oh my god. Oh, this looks so beautiful for the holidays. So this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, so first thing. Oh wow. This smells amazing. I don't know what is in here, but it smells amazing. So the first thing that kind of catches my eye is this, and this is a beauty sponge of, I'm just gonna assume Lookfantastic itself, because it says over here Lookfantastic. So this is what that little fella looks like, and I know I'm reflecting. I'm gonna get it out if I can. I'm definitely gonna use it this year. This is what that sponge looks like. It's gonna double in size. It's actually pretty big, you know, decent sponge, and it's actually the kind of sponge that I love, which is the edge, the cut edge over here, because this side, the cutting side, is perfect for like underneath the eyes. Oh, by the way, today I went for the ski glasses look. I know, I didn't realize how dark the foundation was in comparison with how light my concealer was. And then I placed it on and I was like, oh, I have like ski goggles on right now and it sucks. So stop it. I know, just leave it, okay? Anyway, I really enjoy this, and I think this is awesome that we get something like this in here, because this will last you up to 3 months, which is amazing. 3 months of not buying new sponge. Always great in my book. I wouldn't mind seeing boxes do this more often. Now, of course, I can't tell you guys the prices, because Lord knows why the prices are not mentioned. I think they are mentioned. Somebody told me on their website, but I don't have my phone here. I'm too freaking lazy to stand up and get my phone, so deal with it. Okay, moving on to this. And this is a tube of Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox Exfoliating Pre-Wash Treatment. We received something similar like this as well in, honestly, I don't know if it was the same box. It was just like a couple of months ago, or if it was a different box, but I didn't notice anything different whatsoever. So let me just see how you're supposed to use it. So it says directions. Use 1 to 2 times a week as a pre-wash treatment before cleansing hair. Wet hair before applying a generous amount to your scalp. So this fella is probably just gonna last me 1 time. Use your fingertips to massage the product all over the scalp in circular motions. Leave for a few minutes to allow cooling sensation, oh, sounds good, and purifying properties to detoxify the scalp. Thoroughly rinse, whatever you want to call it, and cleanse your hair using Grow Gorgeous Cleansing Conditioner or Shampoo. I don't have the shampoo or the conditioner, But did I show you guys it? I don't think I did. This is what that fella looks like. And I'm really excited to see if this one perhaps will do something else that the other one didn't, but we'll just have to wait and see. Moving on to a box of some sort. This is from Dr. Botanicals. Okay, before I even open this or read any of it, we have received Dr. Botanicals in pretty much 3 boxes in a row. I'm a little bit done with it now. This is starting to look like Figs and Rouge. Boxes, I think y'all look at each other. Well, you know, the Lookfantastic box might not look at other boxes because the other boxes I have are from Holland and this is from the UK. But the whole Dr. Botanicals is up to here already. Not saying it's like bad products or anything, it's great, but this is starting to look like Figs and Rouge. Once we receive Figs and Rouge in every single box, every single month. I had it. And the same goes for Dr. Botanicals. This is probably within, let's say, 3 months, the 3rd time I'm receiving this. And once we actually receive the exact same item. So, stop it. Okay, this is the PO Pomegranate Superfood Brightening Eye Serum. Oh my God, is this like the dark colored, like, what do you call it? Like a glass pot with like a squeezing thing on top. Oh my God, I hope it isn't because I actually already have that. It's also from Pomegranate and it's also from Dr. Botanical. So we'll just have to see. Oh my God. Look at this, look at this. This is exactly what I mean. Oh dear Lord, please let me be wrong because I just demolished this box to get it out. Oh, I think I already have this. Apply in the morning and evening onto clean, dry skin around the eye area. Damn it! I do think I already have this. I'm not really sure, but it's hella familiar to me. This is what that fellow looks like. And honestly, when I look in the viewfinder, like on the, what do you call this? Damn it, I can't speak. On the little pot thing, I can only see like a white wash. So I honestly, God, hope that it's focusing somewhat so that you guys can see what it is. But this is what it looks like, and oh dear Lord, I hope it's not the same thing. Moving on to a little box, right? Woo! Here, we got a lot of little tonsil things. This is from, oh, Ilamasca. Okay. This is the Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. Is that like a primer? The best-selling clear gel instantly helps skin feel hydrated and smoothed. Smoothed? Smooth, right? Just smoothed? Okay. The lightweight water-based formula is quickly absorbed by the skin and is the perfect base for long-wearing foundation application, leaving your skin looking flawless. Okay, so basically it's a primer. The clear gel is infused with vitamin, wow, with vitamin B3 and sodium hyaluronate. Wow, what a word. That holds more than 1,000 times its weight in water, perfect for moisturizing your skin. Acmella, oh my God, whatever extract instantly blurs appearance of fine lines and makes your skin look smoother. That is my phone. Never mind. Okay, so I'm just gonna assume it's a primer. I will have to read in the booklet if it's like actually a primer or more of a moisturizer. Oh my God, look at how freaking cute this is. Okay, so this is the little pot it comes in. It is so freaking cute. And then opening it up, oh, it smells actually pretty decent. Whoa, okay, that is pretty cool. So I'm just gonna remove this thing because, oh, that smells really, really good. Wow, it's an whoa, hold on, is that air forming already or what's that on? I don't know. But this is what that looks like. Like, it is so weird. Can you guys see that? Amazing. I cannot wait to give this a try. I'm just gonna, whoa. Wow, hopefully you guys are able to see that, but you can actually see like my finger like right in there. It's very jiggly. Oh my God, it literally feels like jello. Oh, that is amazing. Okay, so let's just put it on the back of my hand. Wow, it feels so cool. I like, actually not cool, but like cooling. It smells amazing. I love it. Wow. Sinks into your skin really, really fast. I cannot wait to play with that. Okay, let's see. 1, 2. Is that it? Is the box empty? I think it is. Okay, so the box is empty. We have 2 more items in here. And what's this? This is Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Yes! Oh my God, yes! We received last year, October, if I'm not mistaken, we received a pillow spray from Lavender from this same brand, but it was like a really teeny tiny one. And that lavender spray works. I am an insomniac. I have like severe, serious issues with sleeping. I am just way too stressed. My body and my mind are way too stressed out, and I've had that ever since I was a child. I was never a morning person. I was always like a night owl, not an evening person, but an actual night owl. Always have been. I didn't have a bedtime because of that, because I just couldn't sleep. And you know, it's still going on as an adult. I could be up till 4 a.m. like no problem whatsoever. So this is amazing. I'm so glad we received this because the lavender one actually helped me sleep. Lavender is great if you're an insomniac. It's the only thing so far that I found that actually works. I also have the, shoot, what was that machine called? The Modo, the Mowo. Oh my goodness, I was an ambassador. I should know this. I'm kind of ashamed. But I've used that a couple of times. That has helped me sleep as well. But over like the longer period of time, because I've had that thing for probably over 6 months now, it helps you sleep a bit faster because it controls your breathing. Your breathing makes sure that you can fall asleep as well. And it does help. I'm more aware of it. So I did notice this year I could actually sleep a little bit, especially like the end of the year. I could sleep a little bit better, but this worked better in my opinion. And is this lavender? That's the thing I want to know. Fall asleep faster naturally and wake up refreshed. It also says like this works. Amazing. Let's see. It says, let's see, contains fragrance mixture, linalool, vetiverols, blah, 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 limonene, octane. I have no idea. Let's just spray it, shall we? Oh, no, this is not lavender. I kind of don't want to spray it because I need to put on perfume. Let's just not. No, it's not lavender. It's more of a lemon, which doesn't really make sense because lemon is like a sour smell. Whenever I smell lemon, I'm refreshed and wake up. I don't fall asleep with this scent. So, ooh, the lavender one is my favorite. I will have to check out and see whether or not this fella will work out for me the way the lavender one did. Ooh, hold on, let's do it backwards. But yeah, like I said, the lavender one is definitely my favorite. I wish we received a big lavender one because the small one I just ran out of instantly. You know, it's really fast. And it sucks because it really does work. So yeah, I'm gonna have to try out that one. Now moving on to the last item is, I'm actually pulling it out of the box and I didn't even read the box or didn't even watch it. Oh, model coat, okay. Oh, wow, okay, this is cool. This is actually the Karl Lagerfeld Plus Model Co. Like, I'm doing this. Why the hell am I doing this? Like scissors. Damn it, they work together. God, I can't speak. This is a brow pencil in, oh shoot. This is a brow pencil in medium to dark. Shoot! Yeah, it's a brow pencil. I have bleached blonde hair. This is clearly not my real hair. My real hair actually is really dark like this, but if I draw my brows really dark like this, it will be really weird with blonde hair. I don't like lighten my brows either, but I try to find, when it comes to pencil, a lighter pencil, and then in combination with my dark hairs, it kind of balances itself out. But yeah, sucks. It's a really nice item, but it's just the wrong color for me. This is what that looks like. This is definitely gonna go in a giveaway because I did not ruin the box. I did not touch it. I did open it, but then again, it wasn't sealed. So I could open it. I'm gonna do this in a giveaway for sure, so keep an eye out for my giveaways. And on that note, make sure to check out the first link in the bio. We are nine subscribers away from giving away the box and starting another giveaway. And I already assembled like the little box, and it is way fuller than all the boxes I have so far given away. So you don't want to miss it out. But first, I need to reach 500 subscribers before I can do that, and you guys can help me out. You get an extra entry for helping me out. So yeah, good luck to all. Okay guys, that was it for this Lookfantastic box. I have been yapping for 20 minutes. Holy shit. Okay, moving on. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and honestly, I'm gonna try them all out. I love this box. Is this a Christmas box? Hell to the freaking no. It's a good solid box. It's not a wow box, and it's not the best box they've ever had, but it's a good solid box. I can't complain. The thing that I love most, I guess, is this Illamasqua thing, just because of the brand Illamasqua, and it's a weird thing. I cannot wait to test it out. Honestly, I love everything. The only thing I'm clearly going to give away is the model code, but it's just because it's not my shade. Otherwise, I would have kept every single item. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Once again, make sure to check out the link in the bio, enter the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys in my next giveaway video. Why did I say giveaway? What the hell? Okay, we need to cut this video. Bye.